If your friend or some stranger is in the background of your photo and has ruined your photo, or at least that's what you think, you can easily fix it by going to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. Just click on upload image and go to wherever you have your image. Okay, let it process the image for a few seconds. Now in this case, I want to remove this guy from here and I want to keep this guy. So what I can do is just click on this and this will become a bit red, and click on erase. Now it shows free 3 times left for today, so you can just remove people for free for 3 times. And if you have exhausted your limit, just press Ctrl Shift and N together and incognito mode will open and you can erase more times from here. Okay, so as you can see, it has removed the guy and the chair is regenerated and the PC is also regenerated, but the legs are here, so it has become like a ghost. So what you can do is you can just click on manual and you can click here on this paint, and then you can just draw over the guy and draw over the leg. Okay, I'm being very raw here. Just try to be as precise as you can, it does not matter. Okay, and then what you want to do is just click on erase and the leg and the guy will be removed from the photo. As you can see, the guy and the leg is also removed now. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.